Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error of D3D11 compatible GPU feature level 11.0 shader model 5.0 is required to run the engine. The first thing you're going to do is to search for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and click on this one. After that, let's go to the advanced tab and under virtual memory, click on the change option. From here, we are going to select custom size, and for initial size, set it to 1024, and for the maximum size, we are going to multiply 1024 by the number of RAM you have on your computer. So you can go ahead and search for calculator so we can compute the maximum size you should set. For example, if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, multiply 1024 by 8, and this one should be your maximum size. If you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, like mine, just multiply 1024 by 16, and that should be your maximum size. Once you have entered those values, just click on set right here and click on OK, hit OK, and close these windows and try opening the application again and see if that works. If that does not, the next step will be to search for Device Manager. Let's open this up and let's expand the display adapters by clicking on this little arrow icon, and we right click on our graphics card, click on Disable Device, and once you have disabled it, right click on it again and re-enable your graphics card. After you have done that, restart your computer and see if that solves your problem. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.